I am making turmeric soap today, plain turmeric soap. Turmeric is so interesting to use as a soap colorant. It serves two purposes. You can use it to color your soap. At the same time, it has beneficial components to it in soap making. I like to use 1 teaspoon per pound of oils when I'm using turmeric. One thing about turmeric is it will fade if you use too little. So I like to use the full amount that is required or that is suggested. And it comes out really nice and it retains its color. I put the turmeric powder directly into my oils before I add the lye. There are other ways that turmeric can be prepared to add to soap. It can be infused, it can be made into a tea, but I like to put it directly because I like the little specks, and then I find that it gives me a more beautiful orangier color if I use it directly. I wish this intense orange color stays after saponification, but it doesn't, and that's just chemistry. But I am going to figure out one day how to keep this color unchanged after saponification. I just love the texture of this batter. Just gentle, creamy, flowy batter. Time to cut after 18 hours. Beautiful. I love it. I really appreciate your support, coming over every time to watch my videos, give me comments, give me suggestions. I really appreciate that. Hope you continue to share, comment, and like this video. I'll see you in the next video.